Let's see if I can do this. Like girl. Sweater number 3. 3. Is that really 3, girl? That's not 3. That's 2. It's 3! Hello, everyone. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul on activewear. I'm obsessed with it. I got some nice colors, some really nice outfits that I believe that I need to share with you guys in case you guys are also looking for interesting pieces to add to your activewear wardrobe. So if you do like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content, like this video, and also comment down below. Let's get started into this video. To start off, I have some clothes from both Calvin Klein and H&M. Where to start, right? Okay, so they're all falling apart and I need to reorganize them, and I think I'm gonna start with H&M. Well, actually, I want to make sure that I don't repeat this over and over again throughout this video. So the biggest comparison that I would like to make between H&M and Calvin Klein is the fact that the quality of both, there's not that much of a difference. Calvin Klein is Calvin Klein, obviously. The quality is really, really good. You really get what you pay for sure. But then you have H&M. I was so surprised by how well made this seamless pair of leggings are. I mean, they're both seamless, but I'm talking about the thickness of the material itself. For what I paid for it in comparison to what I paid for in Calvin Klein, that was definitely something that I was like, ouch. I mean, when I'm working out, I just want to change clothes because especially if you're working out every single day, think about it. You sweat, you change. There's not really that much thought put into it. You do want to look cute and all, especially in different colors, and that's why I pick different colors of outfits. But at the same time, spending a fortune on performance clothes or activewear, it kind of hurts. When it comes to Calvin Klein, those leggings, I like the fact that their logo is not big like you usually see them on their t-shirts. It's actually hidden in the back of the clothes, and I really like the way that it's written. It's very classic. And then also too, if you were to look at the material up close, there's a bit of black actually streaming through the green, which is kind of cool because it makes the green look a little bit darker, or it kind of changes the color a little bit. The good thing about these leggings is that it does come with a matching top. And again, I do like the way that the Calvin Klein is written on it. And I have worn this twice since I bought it, and honestly, I want to wear it every single day, and that is the reason why I got so many other colors in this exact same outfit. Okay, so here I am saying that I was going to start off with H&M, and then I started talking about Calvin Klein, so we're going to go back and talk about H&M first, and then we're going to go back to talking about Calvin Klein. I'm just saying, save your money, look no further if you're looking for quality at a good price. I was impressed to see how stretchy, durable these leggings actually seem, just because normally I'm a little bit hesitant with H&M. If you guys did watch some of my previous videos, sometimes when I've ordered activewear from them, I haven't been actually 100% happy with them. So this was a complete just taking a chance and seeing how it goes, and I was impressed. So in terms of color, I decided to go with this green because I don't own a pair like this. I did purchase the white, I did purchase the purple in this exact same pair of leggings, but I did not want to get the same top. I wanted the tops to be different so that it could look like I have different outfits. And to me, that is the benefit of owning the same style, different colors, but you kind of get to play with the styles a little bit when you mix and match things. So for these leggings, I decided to get a t-shirt. So here is the sports top. I just went with it because I felt like when I looked at it online, it looks like something that's going to be lightweight and airy. There's these tiny little holes in the fabric, and if your body's overheating and sweating, I can only imagine that this would definitely help. I also got these running leggings, and they are more in like a fast drying material, which is very, very practical as well. And they're super, super functional. There is the zipper in the back if you need to put anything in the back of your leggings. And not that I usually do that anyways when I'm working out, but sometimes I do have to admit that I'm always looking to put something in my pocket, whether it's my phone that I forgot to place on the table before I got on the bike, or like my lip gloss because I'm worried about my lips being too dry while working out. There's always something, so I'm definitely looking forward to wearing these. The other part that I love about these leggings, other than the fact that it has little silver details, is the zipper. It has ankle zippers. I've always liked pants or even leggings with ankle zippers or leg zippers. I don't know what you call them. It's a styling thing for sure. With these pair of leggings, I decided to get this 2-pack sports vest. So we have the purple one, kind of like a mauve color. Then we have the black one. I want you guys to guess which one I'm going to be wearing more. Obviously, it's gotta be the purple. Both tops are fast drying as well, just as much as the leggings. And by the way, the leggings are super stretchy. The next top that I'm about to show you guys comes with its own pair of leggings. So we have this long sleeve crop top and also this sports bra. The material of both of these items are very similar to the green pair of leggings that I showed you guys earlier. I unfortunately couldn't get the leggings that came with these two tops just because it was sold out, but I have it saved in my favorites in case it comes back in stock. If there's one thing that I would have to say that I appreciate about the sports bra is that it has padding, which is super important, especially the fact that it is a sports bra. I need that extra support. I may not have been able to get the leggings that actually come with the tops, but I was able to find these pair of shorts that I do find quite practical just because it comes with biker shorts already into it, which is great. I love that, especially given the fact that if a pair of shorts is too short or you don't want it to show too much and you're at the gym or you're shy and you want to kind of hide certain things, I find that it's practical to have biker shorts already in there. But honestly, you can always put a pair of biker shorts underneath some shorts that are too short. Just make sure that it's loose fitted and it'll look just like these ones. With these shorts, the fabric is very airy, definitely great to keep that moisture away. But I will have to say that I wish that these shorts had pockets. It would have just made it that much more amazing, but I'll take it for what it is. I almost forgot to show you guys that I also purchased this green color in the same style as that mauve crop top that I just showed you guys. They're both long sleeves, they're both the exact same, so I don't really need to say much about it. The only thing is I did order the shorts to come along with it, but the shorts has still not arrived to my house, so I can't really say anything about it, but they are biker shorts if you guys really want to know. I'm just looking forward to wearing a matching outfit. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it 100%. I have been binging on the color purple, specifically lilac. That you guys already know how I feel about this color. So for this video, I'm repping my color all the way, honey. So first up, we have these purple leggings. Okay, they are seamless leggings. Who likes seamless leggings? I know so many people that do like them because they are durable, they're breathable, they just wick away sweat. To be honest with you, I don't have a preference. So long as they look good on me, I will wear it. These leggings are very similar to the green one that I first showed you guys. They're super high-waisted, and H&M had two different tops that actually came along with them, and I went with both tops. So I went with this little bralette, again with the bra padding similar to the other one that I showed you guys previously. And then I decided to also get this little crop top. It's a t-shirt rather than a long sleeve, which is definitely practical, especially if you have to put a sweater over it. In that case, cheers to the first sweater that I have to show you guys, since the weather is going to be changing very soon. I'm so sad about that. I'm holding back. I don't even want to cry that the end of summer is coming, but we can't ignore that it's on the fast track. For sweater number one, we've got this hoodie. It is a simple hoodie. It just has two pockets on the side, and to be honest with you, I love the quality. I'm 100% certain that it's going to keep me warm during the colder seasons. Sweater number two is another hoodie that says La Ville d'Amour, Paris, France, which makes me love it even more because it has French words on it. So represent. There's other writing on it, but the best part for me is the fact that the lettering has a bit of texture. This hoodie also has pockets in the front, just like the other one. I'm not only looking forward to working out in these, but I'm definitely looking forward to wearing them out as outfits. Okay, hoodie number three, we have got Disney. I am a nerd for Disney. I love things that are Disney. There's a whole backstory about me loving Disney. So long story short, when I first lived in Florida, my grandmother couldn't afford to take me to Disney, so she purchased this Mickey Mouse watch that I've kept till today. And funny thing is, from the day she gave me that watch, I still remember it like it was yesterday. I was 5 when she gave it to me. I used to always watch Mickey and Minnie, but it wasn't that sentimental until I got the watch. That is the little back end story that I have for you about my obsession with Disney, in particular Mickey and Minnie. now we can move forward. In case you guys were wondering, between the 3 sweaters, they're all not exactly the same color. I would say that the Disney sweater is a little bit darker purple than the other 2. The second one is a bit lighter, and then the first one has a more of a hint of pink in it. The other slight difference that I would say with the 3 is the quality. I would say that the last 2 have a thicker fabric than the first one. Okay, I promise these are the last 2 items that I got in purple for you guys. I got this equality t-shirt, and I will say that I got this t-shirt because it has the word equality on it, and it also has the definition right there. A word that I feel like should be plastered everywhere, to be honest with you, especially with what has been going on in the world for the past little while. This word is why I'm gonna be wearing this t-shirt a lot. And then I also got this other purple plain t-shirt. The quality of this t-shirt in comparison to the last one is completely different. The cotton in this one is thicker. So I can definitely see this t-shirt lasting longer than the first one that I showed you guys. And to be honest with you, if more lilac t-shirts or even purple t-shirts come along, I think I'm gonna buy more because you can never have too many t-shirts. Now let's go back to Calvin Klein. Similar to the first pair of leggings that I showed you guys, I got the same leggings in 3 different colors. And out of the 3 colors that I got, I'm gonna say that this orange is my favorite. And it's also a color that's in for fall. It was so unintentional, but there was another color that was similar. It just had like a peachy pink. I decided to go with this orange just because the peachy pink was very close in color. It was just a tiny bit lighter and more on the pink side. So in case any of you guys are interested in more of a pink color, you can definitely go for that one. When it came to the tops, there were 2 different options that you can pick. So you can have this sports bra right here with the padding, or like the green one where there's actually no padding in it. So this is the other top. With this top, you'll be able to show less of your torso in comparison to the sports bra where you're going to be showing more of your stomach. But the difference between the 2 is that this is more of a sports bra that gives a lot more support for your chest. This one has no padding whatsoever. It's more of like a crop top. But I will have to say the elastic in this, even in comparison to like H&M, is a lot more resistant. So if I were to say something about H&M, I feel like Calvin Klein is definitely gonna last longer. I promised that I was gonna pick everything the same, so in order to change things up, I do like the fact that the white came with its own pair of biker shorts with the word Calvin Klein written in the back, just like the leggings. I went with the shorter sports bra. I mean, the leggings and the biker shorts do come up pretty high, given the fact that they are high-waisted. And then I also got the black one, which is no different from any of the other colors that I got, other than the fact that the quality, I just cannot stop raving about it. I love wearing them. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more content, and I will see you guys in my next video.